Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to PG Ka Pathshala, and this is your host PG. Hope you people are liking my pre-market breakfast news, where I am trying to give whatever happened after market hours yesterday and before market hour today, and the global market coverage as well as crude price, so everything, whatever news I receive, and few of them updates which I receive after my video is over. I'm keeping them in the community section and the description of the video. Okay. So keep a look into the description. I am updating few things over there, whatever news I receive after I made my video. So let me quickly share my screen and let us see how the chart looks after today's close. So Nifty, let me see the nine. So 17,722. This was the adjusted closing today. So again, some sort of a doji. Doji means wherever we open. So our opening was around 17,704 and closing was 722. So not much of a traction upwards. Wherever we open, we roundaboutly closed there itself, like yesterday. Yesterday also opening and closing. So see these candles we are having have the very small bodies. Okay, so let me reduce this time period so that you people can see the candles bigger. So what I want to say is, see these two candles, okay, the last two candles. See the wicks are larger. So we saw in the candlestick tutorial, right, that we called upper wick, lower wick, and body. So the thickness or the depth of the body on the last today's candle is very small, and the wicks are larger. That means the opening and closing places are nearly the same. Okay. So what I'm thinking is probably this weekend or Friday, I will have another tutorial, part two of the candlestick patterns. In candlestick pattern, we saw the upper week, lower week. So next in class, we will see various types of candlesticks. Okay, I will try to make another tutorial there. So today also was some kind of a doji day. Doji is where the open and the close are more or less. So let me write over here. So what do we mean by doji candle? Doji candle space is when open and close of a of the time period is more or less well. Okay. So in this session between bears and bulls, both of them are trying hard to defeat the other party. ठीक है? तो इसको दोजी टाइप का बोलते हैं. आरएसआई का देखो, आरएसआई अभी भी और 63 हो गया, कल देखे थे 61.5 और 62.5. टुडे इट इंक्रीज. सो and today actually if we see the Bollinger Band, so let me see the entire time period of all data, then we will see whether it is touching Bollinger Band. 17,709. हाँ, ये निफ्टी का जो ये Bollinger Band टच तो मोरलेस ये सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज में तो टच हो गया है. ठीक है, ये सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज दिखाता है, ये बॉलिंजर 22. एक्सपोनेंशियल में अभी भी टच नहीं हुआ है. मेरा एक दूसरा जगह में एक्सपोनेंशियल खुला है, वहां पे मैं देख रहा हूँ अभी भी थोड़ा ऊपर जा सकता है. But if you consider the simple moving average, then this chart is showing that it has already touched. So upper Bollinger Band actually is 17,709 यहाँ पे. So let me share this. So this figure. So this is the upper Bollinger Band, 17,709, and today's closing is 17,722. So we are touching the upper Bollinger Band if we take the simple moving average as the middle line, right? So my simple moving average middle line at this moment is 17,210. Okay, which is the in between exact 50% of the lower Bollinger Band and upper Bollinger. ठीक है, सो रेजिस्टेंस किधर आ रहा है अभी? रेजिस्टेंस तो अभी आप अगर देखोगे यहाँ पे ट्रेंड लाइन, ये ट्रेंड लाइन ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ, तो यहाँ पे इफ आई ड्रॉ स्ट्रेट लाइन है तो ये बन रहा है, ठीक है. सो दिस स्टॉप मोटा मोटी दिस is like 17,700 something like this. So this is the resistance. This candlestick high basically 17,800 आसपास. And another way we can see is ये तो ऊपर आ रहा है, हम लोग अगर ट्रेंड लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं touching all these tops basically. So if I touch these tops, then it's coming around 870, 860, 866. Okay, so this is still 140, 50 points further away. Okay. And let me delete this. I need to draw this. ये भी around 7,900 के आसपास है. So these are sort of trend line resistances which many of you may not be knowing. So I will try to cover trend line resistance or trend line supports another day, maybe a couple of weeks later. The first tutorial I will cover is the candlestick part 2. ठीक है, तो अभी अपसाइड तो लग रहा है यहाँ पे 63 RSI. ठीक है, तो ये 65 तक जा सकता है. यहाँ पे सी देयर वाज अ रेजिस्टेंस है 65 in the month of December. In the month of December, there was a resistance around 65 RSI. यहाँ पे आया था, ये यहाँ पे एक रेजिस्टेंस आया था. तो मैं अगर इसको ऐसे करता हूँ तो ये एक रेजिस्टेंस जोन बन सकता है 65 में. ठीक है, तो दिसंबर के बाद से दिस इज अप्रैल, सो लास्ट 5 months, so this is the highest RSI Nifty has achieved almost after in the last 5 months. So the market has turned bullish after we touched 16,800 and consolidated there. We tested the exponential moving average of monthly 20 EMA. From there we have bounced back very sharply. Okay, so the market still close to in a bullish mode, but the only thing is this Doji, which proves that the bears are sort of coming back into the game because they are selling at higher levels. Though how does the hourly chart look of Nifty? Let's see. So 4 months, so we may come to the 1 month का करता हूँ. तो आवरली चार्ट में भी एकदम ऊपर का बैलिंजर बैंड नहीं है 17,749. सो टुडेज हाई वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. टुडेज हाई वाज 17,748. ठीक है, आज का हाई जो है 17,748.75 था. सी दिस, सो दिस वाज द हाई ऑफ टुडे. So today's high was 17,748 and see this Bollinger Band was 17,749. ठीक है, so it cannot get any closer than this. So एकदम hourly upper Bollinger Band टच किया है. ओके, टच करके मार्केट थोड़ा बहुत नीचे आया था आज. और यहाँ पे 67.41, so it is actually getting resistance at 70. See this, so if I bring this candle here, so see this, it is actually forming some sort of a resistance here. So this entire zone pink color करके आ गया, यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस मिल रहा है इसको 70 में रेजिस्टेंस मिल रहा है, तो अभी मार्केट थोड़ा बहुत टॉप आउट होने का सिग्नल दे रहा है। डोजी 70 RSI आवर, ठीक है, these are resistances, and more importantly I will say this doji candlesticks mean indecision between bull and bear. So abhi after a strong bull run, if there is an indecision, that means the bears are slowly coming back into the game. Okay, and we may see a interest in the coming days, so we have to be careful. If we have long positions, it's good to book out for trading long positions. ठीक है, तो बैंक निफ्टी का देखते हैं। बैंक निफ्टी yesterday we saw that it actually weakened, but today hourly 67.82, ठीक है, but price wise it made probably a higher high. So yesterday's high, yeah, it made a higher high today, 41,400. It made a higher high, closing was around 366. Okay, so it is closing 41,488 is the upper Bollinger Band, 41,488, 41,500. तो यहाँ तक जा सकते हैं, यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस मिलेगा, और 70 RSI, तो 41,500 रेजिस्टेंस, 70 RSI ये रेजिस्टेंस हो जाएगा, ठीक। और अभी सपोर्ट किधर है, जो कल का लो था, कल का जो लो था, और दिस मूविंग एवरेज बेसिकली 40,686, so these are all supports, ये सब सपोर्ट है, ये सब सपोर्ट है, ठीक है। ये 40,130 से लेके 40,686 तक सब सपोर्ट्स है, ओके, एंड द रेजिस्टेंस इज 41,400 एंड 41,500, 70 RSI। डेली में भी आज 61.88 हो गया है बैंक निफ्टी का RSI। तो yesterday बैंक निफ्टी was looking a bit weak because yesterday we closed around 58 RSI, तो आज तो 530 पॉइंट छलांग लगा दिया है, it has increased by 530 points, so RSI also is bullish now. So this is how it is, market is looking bullish, but approaching very critical resistance levels, and the doji candlestick of Nifty should keep the bears in the game and should caution the bulls. That's the conclusion of today's market closing. Hope you people are liking it. Please share, subscribe, comment and like my videos, and keep on encouraging me. And I would like also to congratulate all of you for helping me achieve around 150 subscribers. It's been pretty good going so far, so let's hope for the best. We have to reach our small targets to 50, 400, 500, then finally 1,000 first time. So I would also request all of you to please watch not the full, but at least 4-5 minutes, where I will try to keep the videos short also, okay, so that you people don't feel impatient, and don't just click and leave. Try to see a bit, so that we can increase our watch hours also. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice evening. Bye.